Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Z. So in my last video I showed you how to build your beginner friendly makeup kit, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use it. This look is soft, simple and perfect for everyday wear. And don't worry, brows are coming in the next video. Let's start with skin prep. I'm moisturizing first to hydrate my skin to give it a nice base. It doesn't matter if you're oily or dry skin, always moisturize. The first step to any great makeup application is prepping your skin. Moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated underneath your makeup, helping it look smooth and fresh all day. Always give your skin a minute to fully absorb the moisturizer. This will prevent peeling and ensure better product layering. Next, I'm going in with primer to smooth everything out and help my makeup last longer. Picking a primer that suits your skin type is a must. If you have oily skin, go for a mattifying primer to control shine. And if you have dry skin, a hydrating primer will help your base smooth and comfortable all day. Always wait a bit after applying primer before moving on to foundation. This will help prevent patchy look when applying makeup. Next is foundation, and it's chosen based on your skin type. If you have oily skin, go for matte or an oil-free foundation, and if you have dry skin, choose a hydrating or dewy finish foundation. I'm using a lightweight formula that matches my skin tone. Foundation even out your skin tone, cover blemishes and create a smooth base. For beginners, use a damp beauty blender for foundation. It's easier to use and gives that skin-like finish, perfect for soft glam. Gently tap the sponge over your skin for the most flawless blend. Next is concealer, and always remember that your concealer should be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply a small amount of concealer under the eyes to cover up any discoloration. This will help to brighten the under eye area and even out the skin. To blend out your concealer, use the tip of your damp beauty blender. Then you gently tap it in. This will help blend without spreading the product too far, keeping coverage where you want it. To set the concealer in place, use a setting powder. Pick up a small amount with a powder puff. Then you tap off the excess on the back of your hand. Then you gently press the remaining powder into your skin. This helps to set the concealer in place and prevent creasing. To set your foundation and keep it from moving around, use a foundation powder that matches your foundation shade. Use a powder brush and pick up a small amount, then you gently press it into your skin to lock everything in. This will also help your makeup stay in place all day. Now, you don't want your makeup to look flat, so go in with bronzer to add warmth and dimension to your face. And when choosing a bronzer, choose a bronzer that's 2 shades darker than your foundation powder. Using an angled brush, pick up a small amount, then you tap off the excess. Then you gently apply it above your cheekbones in a circular motions to create that natural warmth and definition. Now look how the face is no longer looking flat. The bronzer just brought that warmth and soft definition back in. For blush, peach or rose tones are great for beginners. Using the same angled brush, pick up a small amount and dust off the excess. Then gently apply it to the apples of your cheeks to add a natural flush of color. Blush is that one step that just brings the face to life. I won't be diving into eyeshadow today since we're keeping it simple, but don't worry, I'll be doing a separate eyeshadow application guide with this palette soon. So for now, we will be using our bronzer. Grab an eyeshadow blending brush, pick up a little bronzer and blend it all over your eyelid for a soft natural look. For that eye-popping effect, take a dark eyeliner pencil or kajal and apply it on your waterline. It adds subtle drama and brings out your eyes without doing too much. To complete the eye look, apply mascara to lift and lengthen the lashes. Mascara opens up your eyes and make them look more awake. Grab a brown lip liner and outline your lips. Now apply your nude lipstick to the center of your lips. Blend it into the liner for that perfect soft glam lip combo. To finish the lips, top it off with a nude or clear gloss, whatever your vibe is. It adds that high shine finish and ties the whole look together beautifully. To lock everything in, finish with a setting spray. This melts all the products together and helps your makeup last all day. And that's it, a full beginner friendly makeup routine using just the essentials from your starter kit. Super simple, soft and perfect for everyday glam. Don't forget to like and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.